Okay, you should be on this play button underneath number 2, learning how to use Pebble Go. I'm just going to walk you through how to log into Pebble Go and find information. So the easiest way to do this is to click the library website button over here under number 3 where it says click below to research. And you need to make sure you have your note-taking sheet ready as I explained in the video under number 1. So if you haven't done that, do that now. Press pause and then come back. So once you click on the library website, you will open up this new tab. It will take you into Miss Seaman's library website, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom to find Pebble Go. Open Pebble Go, and it will take you to the Pebble Go website. And you're going to click Animals on the left here. Now,
Animal habit.
Sorry about that. If you don't know what animal you're going to choose, you can just click on different areas.
Penguins.
And open different tabs up to try to find an animal that you want to research.
Animal.
If you know your animal, you can go right into the correct area. So let's say I wanted to research a reptile.
Reptiles.
I can open a reptile and find the animal I want to research. It's a lizard, and it is a gecko. So when I go into geckos, I have my tabs across the top so I can find information. So if I need information about habitat, I can look at information about habitat. You can press play, it will read to you, and then you just need to write down the information that you want to include in your presentation. If you decide you don't want to do a gecko after all, you can click Pebble Go, go back to the beginning,
and
choose a new animal. Under Animal Habitats,
Desert animal.
I can look and see if there's any information that will help me. Oh, there's some facts about desert animals, so if I'm learning about desert animals, I can click that. So you're going to find your animal.
Invert mammals.
If it's a mammal, oh, maybe I don't know where my mammal lives. I might have to do a little
Grassland Mammal.
Find my animal. So find your animal, and then get your facts. If you can't find enough information or you want more information, you can go back to the slide. You can click the link or you can just log into Epic just the way you normally would. And once you get into Epic, it'll take just a second here. You can log in with your class code. And it will take you into Epic. And then the easiest way to find information in Epic, oh, I need to choose a child. Anakin, I'm going to be you today. You can search for your animal in the top, and then it will find books for you, and there will be a lot of information about each animal. So then just open a book and find facts as you go through the book. If you have questions about any of that, come pop in and ask your teacher. Otherwise, if you have your note-taking sheet ready, find an animal to research and begin your research.